everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to clear your doubt what people make mistake in simple math expression and fail to solve it. So in this video, we are going to trying to remove your errors and teach you learn something new. So let's start with today's video solution. So what people do, they cancel out the 2 with 2 and minus 10 plus 10 is 0. So which is the incorrect answer because they did not follow the right approach. So the right approach to solve this type of question by following order of operation, which is also known as PEDMAS or PEMDAS rule. Here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, D and M is division, multiplication. Both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority, just solve it from left to right. So when you have given this type of expression minus 10 plus 10 times 2 by 2, first solve the numerator. So in numerator you have given subtraction, addition and multiplication. As per this rule, this is the most important rule in mathematics. It's like traffic lights. If you follow it step by step, you will always reach a right answer. So as per this rule, first we have to solve the multiplication because we have to give priority to multiplication first. So multiplication sign is between 10 and 2. So it becomes minus 10 plus 20 by 2. Now in numerator it's minus pluses. Minus 10 minus 10 plus 20 is plus 10 by 2. And 10 by 2 is 5. So what is the correct answer? 5, not 0. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Now let's learn the next expression. Don't miss out the expressions. You will learn something new in the next expression as well. The next expression is 24 divided 3 by 5 times 5. So in this expression, what you have to do, they cancel out the 5 by 5 and 24 divided by 3 is 8, which is the incorrect answer because they did not follow the right approach. If the question is like this, 24 multiply 3 by 5 times 5, then you can cancel out it, and 24 multiply 3 is 4 times 3 is 12, carry over 1, 3 times 2 is 6 and 72. Then 72 will be the right answer. But there is a division sign. That is 24 divided 3 by 5 times 5. Then how can you solve it? You have to follow KCF rule. Now what is KCF rule? Its full form is K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. So let's apply this in the first two terms. Keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. That is 5 by 3 times 5. Now you can divide it. Cancel out the 24 and 3 with 8. 8 times 5 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40 times 5, which is equals to 200. So what is the correct answer? 200, not 8. I hope you find it useful and you learn how to apply this KCF rule. Stay tuned for upcoming expression. Don't leave out in between. So let's learn the new expression. So we have given the next expression 15 divided 5 bracket 1 plus 2. So let's start with today's video. So in this expression 15 divided by 5, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now 5 times 3 is 15 and 15 divided by 15 is 1. Which is correct or incorrect? Yes, it is incorrect. We know that. Why? Because they did not follow the right approach, that is PEMDAS or PEDMAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So in PEMDAS rule, this is order of operation. This helps you to choose what you have to solve first. So first solve the parenthesis if given. Yes, given 1 plus 2 is 3. Then exponent, no exponent is given. Then division, multiplication or multiplication division, both have same priority. Just solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition, subtraction or subtraction, addition, both have same priority. Just solve it from left to right. So when you solve the expression, first rewrite the left out terms. That is 15 divided by 5 times 3. Now we have division and multiplication. We know that both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So we will write 15 divided by 5 times 3. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So what is the correct answer? 9, not 1. I hope you find it useful. So now let's learn the new expression. So our next expression is 12 divided 1 by 2 times 4. So how can we solve it? People cancel out this 2 with 4 2 times, and then 12 divided by 2, which is 6, which is the incorrect answer, because they did not given you like this 12 multiply 1 by 2 times 4 and 12 divided 1 by 2 times 4. They both are different questions. So you have to solve it like this by following KCF rule. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So let's apply this. So 12 divided 1 by 2 times 4. So here keep the left hand, change the symbol and flip the right hand times 4. So it becomes 12 times 2 times 4. 12 times 2 is 24 times 4, which is equals to 96. So what is the correct answer? 96, not 6. I hope this rule is clear and you know how to apply it. So now let's come to the next expression. So our next expression is 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. If you know the right approach and the answer, comment down below. I will pin the first comment right answer. So what people solve it? 6 minus 6 as 0 times 0, which is 0. Is this right or wrong? Wrong. Yes, you are right. This is a wrong answer. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. In this channel, you will find everyday new videos on logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now solve this. 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. So we are going to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEDMAS or PEMDAS rule. First, you have to solve the parenthesis if given no in this expression. Then exponent, then division, multiplication. Both have same priority. Just solve it from left to right. Then addition and subtraction from left to right. So here 6 minus 6 times 6. So first we have to solve the multiplications, that is in between 6 and 6, which is 36. So 6 minus 36 minus 6. 6 minus 36 is minus 30 minus 6, which is equals to minus 36. So what is the correct answer? Minus 36, not 0. I hope you find this video useful. So your homework question for today is 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. Comment down below. I will pin the first comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.